Hare Krishna. Let us try to understand what is the best way by which we can overcome Maya. Let us see what solution the Vedic scriptures have given to overcome Maya, the most formidable energy of the Lord, which binds us all in this material world.
In this world, we have two options. One option is that we choose Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And the second option is that if you are not choosing Krishna, we choose Krishna's external energy, that is the material energy which is controlled by Maya Devi. So, what we have to do? We have to choose. What we have to choose? Either Krishna or Krishna's energy, that is Maya Devi. And if we are not with Krishna, then by default we are with Maya. Maya is extremely powerful. She controls all the living entities with the three moods. The three moods are of goodness, of passion, and of ignorance. Maya leaves none. None of the living entities are free from her clutches. She not just controls us, but she even steals our intelligence. So much so that all the living entities, although they are shackled by Maya, are in clutches of Maya, but they start believing that they are not suffering, but in fact, they are happy and they are enjoying in this world. So much illusion. Not just that, because we all are devoid of intelligence, so even we stop questioning that why we are suffering. In fact, we start living with suffering. We think that suffering is part and parcel of our existence. Chaitanya Charitamrita very nicely explain the precarious situation of all the living entities of this world. It says, in the material condition, the living entity is sometimes raised to higher planetary systems and material prosperity, and sometimes drowned in a hellish situation. His state is exactly like that of a criminal, whom a king punishes by submerging him in water and then raising him again from the water. We, the living entities, bound by Maya, shackled by Maya, chained by Maya, suffer again and again in this world. We lose all hope of enjoyment and we start considering suffering as our enjoyment. However, Krishna is very merciful. He does not want any of us to suffer. So what does Lord Krishna does? He appears again and again in this material world to teach us how we can free ourselves from the clutches of Maya. He even gives us formula, the best formula by which we can completely and totally free ourselves from Maya. And let us see what Krishna actually is saying about this material energy, about Maya. In Bhagavad Gita chapter 7, verse 14, Krishna says, this divine energy of mine, consisting of the three modes of material nature, is difficult to overcome. But those who have surrendered unto me can easily cross beyond it. So Krishna is telling us that on our own, it is almost impossible for us to free ourselves from Maya. But as soon as we take shelter of Krishna, we get freedom from Maya. And if we are getting freedom from Maya, it means that we are getting freedom from pain. We are getting freedom from suffering. But what is the best way? How can we take shelter of Krishna? How can we bring Krishna in our life? How we can choose Krishna in our life? Scriptures, sages, the saintly persons gives us a very simple, a very easy solution by which we can invite Krishna in our life, and that is by chanting the wonderful Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare. This beautiful Maha Mantra, this wonderful Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, if we start chanting, then we invite Krishna in our heart. We all are aware night is filled with darkness. Night is full of darkness. But as soon as the first rays of the sun appears, the darkness dissipates. Similarly, currently our heart is filled with darkness. Currently our heart is full of ignorance. This is the reason why we are suffering. that is filled with sins. That is the reason why we are suffering. But as soon as we begin chanting, we invite Krishna in our life, and as soon as Krishna appears in our heart, all the darkness, all the sufferings, all the sins completely dissipate, and our life is filled with total bliss. So, the choice is ours. The best way and the only way by which we can overcome Maya in this world is by choosing Krishna. When we choose Krishna, when we say yes to Krishna, it means that we are saying yes to a blissful life. We are choosing a blissful life. So, let us choose Krishna in our life and make our life completely blissful. Thanks all for watching. Hare Krishna. If you like this channel, then please do subscribe.